Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how I fixed the nail indent marks on my Mark 8 GTI steering wheel. So I'll go ahead now and show you guys the clip right after I took delivery of this Mark 8 GTI steering wheel from FedEx. In that video, you're going to clearly see that there was two nail indent marks on the steering wheel. One was in the front on the left hand side, and the next one was on the rear of the steering wheel on the right hand side. So without further ado, on with the video and on with the clip. Here in this video, you can clearly see the nail indent mark on the top left hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the back of the steering wheel you're going to see now the actual rear nail indent mark on the back of my steering wheel. So it's been now several weeks since fixing the nail indent marks on my steering wheel, and as you can see, the one that was here somewhere is completely gone and no longer visible. You would kind of have to know that it was there beforehand to look for it, but there clearly is a mark there somewhere still. You just can't really see it. You can see it now, like right here. So it still is there, but it's very barely noticeable. So that fixed the problem. And then the one in the back, it's exactly the same thing. It's all fixed too. So here's the rear of the steering wheel, and you can see the right hand side nail indent is gone. There's nothing there, see? It's gone. You might see a little mark, but the actual indent is gone. So how I fixed these nail indent marks was when the steering wheel was still off the car and uninstalled in my bedroom, I went ahead and took a certified brand heat gun and I used it on heat position number 2. I found the number 2 position worked the best and worked wonders. The number 1 position did not work so well, and it was taking forever for it to actually fix the nail indent. But on the number 2 heat setting, the nail indent mark was fixed so fast and so well. Exactly how fast and how long I had the heat gun in one spot right over the nail indent mark, it was roughly around 10 to 15 seconds. I had it over the nail indent mark, and I did it a few times. So I did it for a little bit over 10 seconds. Soon after, I let it cool down for a few more seconds. Once it cooled down, I reapplied more heat for another 10 or so seconds. I let it cool down again, and I think I went one more time for another 10 seconds. I let it cool down, and I think by then, the nail indent mark was completely gone and no longer visible. I did this on the front left-hand side nail indent mark and the rear right side nail indent mark, and both marks were completely gone and invisible. So the heat from the heat gun does in fact work. It worked for me. You guys can see the results here. The indent is gone, but the mark is still kind of visible. So there you have it guys. That's how I fixed my nail indent marks on my Mark 8 GTI steering wheel. This then effectively ends the video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.